Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. Today is a fun tutorial. We're actually introducing a new product line, so let's jump into it. Back to a tutorial that's not really a tutorial. It's actually more of a dun 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 dun. We have a new product, and that product is paint. Yes, we finally, after years of you guys asking, we now carry paint to dye the sola wood flowers. Super excited. So I'm gonna go through all 17 of the different colors. I am going to set them all up to dye, and we're gonna dip dye one flower each color so you can see the colors as close to true life as possible. As always though, remember that screens and all that fun stuff sometimes don't always, what I see isn't what you're gonna see on your screen. So just keep that in mind when picking out the colors. Man, oh man, let's jump into it. It's gonna be a ton of fun. So the first thing I wanted to point out is that our paint is gonna come in two different sizes. We have the 1 ounce bottles and we have 4 ounces. The paint itself is exactly the same, just different sizes. Also, this particular paint is a low VOC paint. When you get the bottles, make sure to shake them up. Also, one other little caveat, little asterisk, if you will. Please note, if you are ordering the paint during the colder months of the year, paint can freeze, so order at your own discretion. Just know that there is a possibility that it may freeze in shipping, and we will not be giving refunds if it does freeze. So just keep that in mind, because different temperatures all over the place. Here in Wisconsin, still freaking cold, and we're in spring. So I'm not gonna show all of the different colors in the 2 sizes. I'm just gonna show it in the little bottles, but let's go through all of the different colors, shall we? So this first color is blush pink. I don't know that I'm gonna have all kinds of, I love all of these colors, but I don't think you need me to gush on all of them going, oh my God, they're so cute, because all of them are so pretty. So here we go. Blush pink is our first. Peach bliss, antique cream, buttercup, cherry, summer yellow, watermelon, Tahiti, ocean mist, sea breeze, night sky, plum berry, berry blast, lilac, smoky plum, soft lavender, noir. Besides the paint, we also do carry now vegetable glycerin in a 4 ounce bottle. To dye the flowers, it's just like any other paint solution that you've ever used. So I'm gonna start with the blush pink. We're gonna dye all of the flowers. Just gonna pour that out. I'm gonna add just a little bit of glycerin. My ratios are usually 1:1 water to paint, and then of that ratio then, the glycerin is gonna be 1 part glycerin to 8 parts water paint. When we were actually measuring everything out is what it turns into. For this though, I'm just eyeballing it. I'm gonna add just a tinge of water to mix everything up, including that glycerin. All right, let's see how it looks. I'm just gonna sit this down to dry for 24 hours. And then we're ready to work with them. The one thing I do want to note about darker tones is I use less water, more paint. If you use a 50-50 ratio, that's fine. You can also just add in a tinge of a black, which noir would be a great color for that. And if you do more paint, less water, you definitely want to add in glycerin for that. can't see me. All right, you guys, there you have it. The new paint line. Who's excited? I'm excited. What's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I am actually like, I'm a little floored by the berry blast and also plum berry. Yeah. Stop. And all of these are still wet. They're going to get a little bit darker after they fully dry, after 24 hours. I'm really excited to see them all. The blush pink is lovely. The lavender, the soft lavender, has a little bit of a pinky tone to it too, which is super exciting. The peach is gorgeous. I'm so stinking excited. I cannot wait to see what you guys make with these new dyed colors. If you have any questions, like always, drop them down in the comments. We'll be sure to answer those as soon as possible. To find out about the 150 style sola wood flowers, along with craft supplies, greenery, and now paint and glycerin. Don't forget the glycerin. Go to ohyourlovely.com, but before you scoot, let me give you something. Use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first order. Oh, other things. If you're loving this channel, can't get enough, want to know when the next time we go live, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. And I will see you guys next week for another tutorial. I was gonna say something else, and that's the wrong outro. So yeah, we'll see you real soon. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.